Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I am planning for November, so I'm going to do my budget page and the notes page and the monthly. So the kits I'm using are from the budget in planner, which will be my budget in kit, and then the notes page and the monthly will be from Paper Chic Plans. The Paper Chic Plans kit is very Disney, which is perfect because November was meant to be my Disney month, but you know that changed. And then the budget kit was like Poppy, the November one, but I thought I would use it even though it didn't match because it is the month of November is a remembrance month, I think, where we wear poppies in the UK. But yeah, anyways, for the budget kit, as usual, I'm just sticking it down. I left three slots for my income, for mine, variable, and for my husband. Since we're going to be moving in together, I'm going to be kind of factoring his budget, his money when it comes to bills and stuff, which I haven't started yet due to COVID taking long, but I'll be kind of preparing myself, so hopefully by November we can start doing that. For the fixed expenses, I left about 6 spaces, and so same for variable. I did leave like a few extra spaces just in case I needed that, but the fixed expenses are usually just my bills and stuff, and the variable are like allowance, sinking funds, food, petrol, things like that. And then I used the like floral washi strips to separate the sections, and in the bottom I use that to kind of total up my total bills, my total spending, and my total savings at the end of the month. So I put what I have budgeted to spend or save, and then at the end my actual, just so I can kind of see everything together, to kind of see what I'm spending on bills, and what I'm saving in the month, I guess. So I drew my lines, my wonky lines, just to separate everything up. And yeah, that's about it. I think I didn't say it, but if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So onto this hexagon page. So I love that Paper Chic Plans kits have the hexagon. So first we have the white one to kind of block it out so I don't have to white it out. And then the decorative one, which has like the Disney snowy castle with November script, which is beautiful. Then whited out the branding of this planner, and then I used a deco, so I start in each corner and then go halfway through so that everything is kind of evenly spread out, and I try to keep the things that are the same or similar away from each other, but at the end I kind of just have to use what I've got. So there was like loads of pretty Disney land inspired art, well, deco for this page, but I just spread that around as evenly as I could, and that was that, and it was really nice and cute, and it doesn't really bother me the difference between the budget page and this page. I don't think I'm too bothered by it, just because I know this budget page is quite functional, so you know, I'm not bothered. Onto the notes page. So for the notes page, I've already whited everything out. So I put each of the boxes on my skin so that they're not extra sticky, and stuck them down. It was quite easy this month trying to stick everything down, which was good. And then there is also some more deco for me to put around the November half hexagon, I guess I could call it. So that was fun. And then I use all the square boxes that need to be in their places. Everything has been whited out previously just because I don't like doing it on camera and it takes me long. So whenever I can, I just white out randomly, even if I know I'm not using it right now, just to get it out of the way. Then use this long rectangle, which was I did put it a little bit wonky, but it didn't matter. And I do end up having to look back and forth on my previous ones to know what scripts I put. So for the long box, I put this month because I track my orders there, birthdays, and then monthly goals. The monthly goals are usually to do with what I want to do with my hair. And then at the bottom is where I do my sinking funds, which I'll use in a second, and then the leftover washi strips from the kit I use on this page. That is using my video tracker, but I haven't been doing that because I just don't have time and I haven't been that consistent with my videos, so I'm going to set that up this month. And then, as I said, the sinking fund script is from the budget and planner kit. So I use the sinking fund script, and then I cut the ends off of the 2 washi strips. So the category 1 goes at the top. It's a bit shorter because I didn't do it as precise as I usually do, but I just cut off both ends and then called it a day. And the same for the totals, which is actually longer than it should be, but it's fine. I'm not too bothered by it. And it is red and there's a clash, but I just kind of was like, you know what, it's fine. this is for functional use, and this is to track my sinking fund. So I have 4 categories in my sinking funds, and I like to keep track of that. And I don't keep the money physically. I have it in my savings account, but I like to keep them separated on paper so that I know how much is for what. Now onto the monthly. So once again, that has been whited out. I just whited out the November. Nothing else kind of needed to be whited out. And I'm kind of counting the days that I need because I get a Monday start, and November started on a Sunday, so it kind of messed everything up. And I did white out the days, I think, maybe, that I needed to, probably. So now I'm just putting the extra boxes for the days that are not in the month. And because this was made to be for a Sunday start, like the extra boxes, kind of had to rearrange it, but it worked out fine. And then because I put those boxes first, it was really easy for me to line up the November header at the top. And before I put it down, I always put it on my skin, just so that it loses some of the stick in case I need to pick it up, which is very helpful. And I did that side. I then was measuring up the the decorative sidebar situation, trying to see where it would fit. And then I remembered that there was the glitter strip for the bottom, so I put that down first, just so I could make sure I had enough space. And yeah, I kind of had some issues making this straight, so I had to turn my planner around. And luckily I'd put that on my skin, so it was easy for me to lift it up. But it did curl a little bit. But, you know, sticking stickers down, it's not straight. It's always been an issue for me. And, of course, I did it off camera, so apologies. But, yeah, so that's the sidebar, and it's the castle once again. And then, I don't remember what I did first. Oh, I put the strip down again because it wasn't as straight as I wanted it. And I did it on both sides. And I then, after that, I think I put the deco down first. But we shall see. I did this yesterday, but I clearly cannot remember. So let's see, what did I do next? Okay, so I was drawing, I actually tried to do it like an even split in half on the bottom day, because that would be the 23rd and the 30th. Since I had made it a Monday start, I missed a day out, so I needed to share that box. But I was fine with that. And I think then I did the deco, yep. So I used all the deco and spread it out in the boxes just to add some more oomph to it. I think I ended up having to move one of the deco sheets, and I ended up having to use some like double-sided tape roll to stick it back down, because of course I didn't put it on my skin, so when I pulled it up I just ripped the sticky bit and the sticker apart, but that was fine. And then after I did the deco, I put down my date dots. So I'm not going to talk through that because I'm just putting date dots down. So I'm going to speed through that and let you guys watch that through music. And then I will flick through and show you the end result. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below what you thought of this video. And I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.